What's up, guys? Today we're doing a review and an unboxing of some products in a new supplement line that I just became aware of recently, and I'm very impressed so far with what they've come out with, and also their company model and how they go about conducting business in this new age where there's a few companies that have just taken over in terms of sales in almost every aspect of life. But this company has started a new way to go about doing things where they offer a membership instead of just selling you things at full price. So their membership, it's a monthly membership. You pay so much a month, but you get all their products at cost. So if you're a big supplement junkie and you do a lot of proteins, a lot of amino acids, your BCAAs, your pre-workouts, this, that, the other, and you're spending mucho dinero every month on a lot of supplements, then this type of thing, this type of model will really help you in the long run save a ton of money. For instance, and some of these I'm going to show you when I do the unboxing, but they're pre-workouts. So say a pre-workout full price for their company or for any other company is $45, $39, $50 for a 30 serving size pre-workout. You're going through that. Say you work out 24 days out of the month, or even 20. That's 50 to 30 bucks every single month. Whereas if you have the membership, it's going to be half price. If you're doing that and you're doing pre-workout and a protein, so now you're spending 40 bucks on a pre-workout, plus you're spending another 30 to 50 on a protein. Add BCAAs, add your collagen or whatever it is you take, your greens, your glucosamine, whatever it is. The more of those things you add up, the more money you're spending a month. You can do the stacks with some companies and it might save you a little bit of money. But with this membership with EPN, it truly saves you a ton of money. Half price almost for everything. So all those things put together, if you're spending 40 bucks and say you take 4 supplements a month, $160 a month, split it in half, now you're paying $80. The membership is anywhere from $19 to, if you wanted to do a VIP or a lifetime membership, one price, you're good to go for the rest of your life. You're now a member of that company and you always get their products at cost. So it's a really great model. I'm really happy with what I've seen from the company so far. But with that being said, let's get into it. Let's break into some of the products they have. I got a few things in this box that I really wanted to try out myself. Haven't tried all of them out yet. There are a few things I have tried out, and I really like the pre-workout so far, really like the protein so far, but let's see what's in this box. Let's get rocking. I just have my computer right here because I'm going to show you guys some of the pricing, some of their retail prices versus if you're a member with the company, what your cost price would be. I'm going to set this on the floor just for a sec. That way we can get it out of the way. So first thing we're going to look at here, this is their EPN Nitra Energy. This is your BCA, so your branch chain amino acids, and these come in some really awesome flavors. That's one of the things I really like about the company. Their flavors are freaking sick. Some really awesome stuff. Rocket Pop is one of their pre-workouts. That's what I have right now. The watermelon candy, I have this BCA powder, and I've been taking this. It tastes really awesome. I actually just got done taking some. So, for instance, with this, if we're looking at these BCAAs at retail price, your retail price for this is going to be $39.99. If you are a member with their company or on their website, you're going to get this for $21.99. Like I said, just about half price savings doing that. Really good flavor, really good product right here. Really enjoy it. Let's see what else we got. So here is their 100% whey protein by EPN again. This one I have not tried. What I have tried and I really, really like, is, let's see, I think I have it in here. This one right here. This is their cinnamon crunch. You know the drill. You've had the cereal. Probably not supposed to say it, but you know what the cereal is. It tastes just like it. This one is awesome. I've tried this so far. Love it. This one I haven't. So the reason I got this one is because I have not tried it. I'm really excited about it. Can't wait. It's a chocolate milkshake. This was so good. I imagine this is good, but I kind of like to have a more vanilla-y flavor and a chocolate in the house so I can mix it with different things. Whether or not I'm just making protein shakes, I can switch it up. Or if I'm doing like, I really like to make protein pancakes, protein waffles. So I might make chocolate protein waffles one day, mix them up, throw them in the waffle maker. Or this is really good with, if you want to mix it with berries and do like more of a protein smoothie, that's kind of the route I would go with this. And this one also works really well with the berries in the smoothie, but really like it with protein pancakes. So making some chocolate pancakes. Let's see what else we got. That's another one of those. We'll put this on the floor, but gotta have multiples. Here, like I said, I got a couple of these. This is one of my favorite flavors so far. Unfortunately, when I ordered my products, they were all out of the Gummy Worm flavor that I really want to try. I'm gonna hit that up soon. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I am a gummy freak. That's why I really like these, because I really love the the candy, the sour watermelons. Those are amazing, and this tastes just like them. Love it. Really, really good. The Rocket Pop, really, really good. And this pre-workout really gets you going. There's a lot I've tried recently that are not so great. You either get the shakiness, or you get the tingling feeling, the red face. You feel almost warm and tingling. I don't like that. This doesn't give that to you. Doesn't hit you as hard as the old Jack 3D with the DMAA or the DMHA, whatever it was. But we're just never going to see a pre-workout like that again, unfortunately. But this is your next best thing, probably. It's one of the best pre-workouts I've tried in quite a while. There's a few others out there that are comparable, but for the price, especially if you're a member, getting half off. Like I said, price for this is going to be around $40, and you can get it $21.99. Cool. All right, I'm going to drop. So again, the Rocket Pop, great product. I have this, been trying it, love it. I'm going to put this down, get it out of the way. Our next thing that we're going to talk about is the Immuno Greens. I don't have a lot of information on this because I don't personally take greens. My wife, on the other hand, she had an issue, digestive stuff going on. Immuno Greens, not this brand. She hasn't tried them yet, so don't quote me on anything. I can't give exact information yet. We're going to try it here soon and see how it works. But greens really helped her out, helped her with a lot of her digestive issues that were causing her a ton of problems. She had some issues where she couldn't eat a lot of, it was either a lot of dairy, she couldn't eat meats, dairies, they just gave her a real problem. And with the greens, it really made digesting things a lot easier for her, and she hasn't had any issues since she's been taking greens. So what we're going to do now that we're with EPN is we're going to start trying these greens and see if they're comparable, see if any of her problems come back or if things get better. I have a good feeling about them. I'm not really worried about it. I think they're going to be great. No issues there, but I will keep you guys updated. So they also have the Immuno Greens. This right here is their fruit smoothie, and I don't know if I have another one. I got 2 fruit smoothies, so I'm not sure what other flavor they had. Let me check here, see if they have something else. Their Immuno Greens, right now it looks like they only come in fruit smoothie, but your retail cost on this is going to be $39.99. With the cost being a membership, you get them at cost for $21.99. So good deal there, almost half off. What else? Yep, trying them out. What you got? Dang, son. Thank you.
It's made big.
Oh, yeah.
From,
where'd you get it? Greek?
Yes.
Nice.
Make one for the big guys.
Cool. Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, man. Thank you again.
All right, I'll see you soon.
Yes, sir.
What else we got? We got some more pre-workout. This one I also have not tried. I did a giveaway a little while back, so I've been waiting for this to show up because the person who won the giveaway, I got to get this to them. They know who they are. I'm excited for her to try that out. I think she's excited about it, and I got this for me. Honestly, I think I have one at home. I just haven't tried it yet because I've been dealing with the Rocket Pop, and I really like that. My wife might have tried it. I can't remember. But we're going to give it a shot and see how good that one is. I'm sure it tastes just as good as the Rocket Pop. Again, EPN, I'm waiting for that Gummy Worm to get restocked so I can get that. Let's go. All right. And last but not least, not a whole lot to say about this. This is just your omega-3 fish oil. It's not flavored. One big issue with a lot of fish oils that are out there is your fishy flavor, or the worst case scenario is after you take fish oil. You know, if you take fish oil and you've taken crap fish oils, if you take fish oils and you start burping up fish, you might as well throw all that money in the garbage. Because if I take it and I start burping up fish throughout the day, I work with patients all day. I train people all day. If I'm sitting over a patient that I'm working with and I'm burping fish in their mouth, no, they ain't going to have it. They're going to walk out. They're never going to come back. It doesn't matter how good of a practitioner I am, or if they're a client that I'm training, it doesn't matter how good of a trainer I am. If my mouth smells like fish the entire time they're working with me, they out. They out. So you can take your money, you take your fish oil and throw it away if it happens. Again, I haven't tried it yet. We're going to, and I will let you know if it happens. Again, I'm going to be honest about everything I take from them. I love the company so far, and I love a lot of their products. But if I take this and I start burping up fish, I'm not going to have it stocked in my office, and I'm not going to recommend it to people. I don't push anything that I don't believe in. So anything that I've told you about today that I haven't tried, I'm not pushing it. I'm telling you about it. It's there, but I'm letting you know I haven't tried it. So the Immuno Greens, the omega-3 fish oils, I haven't tried. The proteins I've tried. I love the flavor. I love everything about them. Kind of gross. I'm going to get into it though. With a lot of proteins, you'll get gas. You'll be farting all day. It might mess you up in terms of the digestive system. I haven't had any issues with that yet. I'm not saying you won't. Different things affect different people in different ways. I haven't had an issue with the protein yet. It doesn't mess my stomach up. I don't get gassy. I don't have to go to the bathroom 17 million times a day more than usual. And then with the pre-workouts, I've used those. I haven't used every flavor, but the pre-workout works great, and I'm really happy with it. The Immuno Greens, these I haven't. And the BCAAs are great too. They taste great, and I think they're a great product. Other than that, that's your unboxing. That's a little bit of information about the company. A great model, something that's really different. And if you're someone who takes advantage of using a lot of supplements, or a moderate amount of supplements, it's going to save you money in the long run. You do get worked into purchasing a lot more of your supplements from just one company, which is the point for them. So they give you a benefit of being able to order their products at cost, but their benefit is they have more customer loyalty from you. And it's great if they're putting out great products, which so far from what I've seen, they are. And I'll let you know if things ever change, because I'll let them know and I'll let you know. I won't push anything that I don't believe in. And if it's a junk product, I won't use it. I'll cut my losses because I paid for a lifetime membership, and I'll take off. But for right now, from what I've seen, it's a very, very good company. Customer service has been great, and the product's been great. Sorry this was long, probably winded, probably said way more than you wanted to hear. But I wanted to be real with you, give you my exact feelings, let you know what's going on with the company and everything else. If you have any questions, reach out, hit that subscribe button, show me a like on the video, send some comments, show me some love. I hope this helped you guys out. If you have any questions about the company or any of their products, I hope I could help you a little bit. All right, take care.